Good morning students. Welcome to class 7 mathematics. First of all, there is an important announcement. Your online test will start from 8 June onwards, and all informations regarding the online test you will get in our school website www.scmemorial.org. So everyone, go through it. Now next, today we are going to solve some problems related to exercise 4.1. Number 1, write the following equations in statement form. That is, here equation has given, we have to write in statement form. So we have done some problems. Number A, equation is n minus 7 equals to 3. So its statement form, 7 is subtracted from n gives 3. B, m by 5 equals to 3. Statement form, 1/5 of m. M by 5 means 1 by 5 into m. So 1/5 of m is 3. Number C, 3b plus 4 equals to 25. So statement form, 4 is added to 3 times of p. 4 is added to 3 times of p is 25. Next one, p by 2 plus 2 is equals to 8. Statement form, 2 is added to half of p is 8. So in this way, we can write any statement form of any given equation. Now, number 2, set up equations in the following cases. Here, statement has given, we have to construct the equation. Number A, Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. So let m be the number of Parmeet marbles. So Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has. That is, Irfan has 5m plus 7. Parmeet marble n. So Irfan has 5 times 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. So 5m plus 7 marbles. Now according to question, it is given Irfan has 37 marbles. So 5m plus 7, this equals to 37, which is the required equation. Second one, in an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. We have to construct the equation. Let measure of each base angle is b in degree. We take measure of each base angle is b in degree. So vertex angle is 2b in degree, because vertex angle is twice either base angle. Now just keep it in mind that in isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. Now vertex angle is 2b. How many angles in a triangle? 3. 1 vertex angle, 2 base angle. And as The triangle is isosceles triangle. Its two base angles are equal. So vertex angle is 2b and two base angle b and b. And we know that in triangle sum of three angles is 180 degree. So 2b plus b plus b is equals to 180. That is 4b equals to 180, which is the required equation. In this way we can construct any equation from the given statement.